Welcome to Across the Globe. Today we will learn about list comprehensions. List comprehensions in Python offer a succinct method for generating lists by applying an expression to every element in an existing list. This alternative to conventional for loops not only enhances readability but also improves efficiency. For instance, consider creating a list of squared numbers from 1 to 5 using a list comprehension. Squares equals x dot dot 2 for x in range 1, 6. This single line accomplishes the same task as a traditional for loop, making the code more compact and clearer to understand. Utilizing list comprehensions can simplify code and boost productivity in Python programming. List comprehensions in Python provide a concise way to create lists based on existing ones. The basic syntax is expression for item in list. For instance, x star 2 for x in 1, 2, 3 will generate a list containing the square of each element in the original list, 1, 2, 3. Conditional statements can be included in list comprehensions using the syntax expression for item in list if condition. For example, x for x in range 10 if x%2 equals 0 will generate a list of even numbers from 0 to 9. Multiple for loops are also supported in list comprehensions. They can be used like this: expression for item 1 in list 1 for item 2 in list 2. For example, xy for x in A, B for y in 1, 2 will produce a list of tuples combining elements from the two input lists. In summary, list comprehensions offer a streamlined way to generate new lists by applying expressions to existing elements, filtering based on conditions, and even combining multiple lists in a single expression. In the example provided, a list of numbers is defined as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. By using list comprehension, each number in the list is squared, resulting in a new list called squared numbers. The expression num_2 for num in numbers iterates through each element in the original numbers list, squares it, and stores the squared result in the squared numbers list. Finally, the squared numbers are printed using print squared numbers. This technique is efficient and concise for transforming data in lists and is commonly used in Python for various data manipulation tasks during industrial programming. List comprehensions are a concise and readable way to construct lists in Python. They are faster and more memory efficient than traditional loops due to their optimized internal implementation. By utilizing list comprehensions, your code becomes more Pythonic and elegant by expressing the list creation process in a single line. For example, instead of using a for loop to create a list of squares of numbers from 1 to 5, you can simply write x2 for x in range 1, 6. This results in cleaner and more intuitive code. List comprehensions are a concise way to create lists, but their readability can decrease with complexity. Their utility is limited to list creation and may not be optimal for all data manipulation tasks. Striking a balance between list comprehensions and loops is crucial based on the code's requirements. For example, using a list comprehension like x_2 for x in range 10 is clear, while more intricate expressions may hinder readability. Therefore, when code clarity is vital or tasks go beyond list creation, traditional loops may be more appropriate. List comprehensions are like using a shopping list to quickly find and select items at a store. Just like how a shopping list helps you efficiently pick out specific items, list comprehensions in programming help you filter and manipulate data from a list. For example, if you have a list of numbers representing grocery prices, you can use a list comprehension to filter out only the prices that are less than $10, enabling you to easily create a new list with just those items. Hey, code conquerors! Ready to level up? With TechLearn ATG, showcase your skills with official course certificates. Just visit our site and start. Need that extra boost? Get tailored learning, 24/7 support, and expert guidance. Coding smarter, growing faster, and making learning fun. Go to our website across the globe, www.atg.world. List comprehensions provide a concise and efficient way to process and manipulate lists in Python. In this code snippet, we have a list named grocery prices that stores the prices of different groceries. We leverage list comprehension to create a new list called affordable prices that filters out only the prices that are less than $10. This is achieved by iterating through each price in grocery prices and applying a conditional check to include values that satisfy the condition, price 10. By using list comprehension, we avoid the complexities of traditional loops and conditional statements, resulting in cleaner and more readable code. The affordable prices list obtained from the list comprehension operation can be used in various real-world scenarios. For example, in e-commerce applications, it can help identify products that fall within a specific price range for display to customers. It can also be useful in financial applications for categorizing expenses or transactions based on predefined criteria. Another industrial real-world example of using list comprehensions is in data processing pipelines in large-scale data applications. For instance, in a data analysis system that processes millions of records, list comprehensions can be used to efficiently filter, transform, or aggregate data. By leveraging the concise syntax and performance benefits of list comprehensions, developers can write code that is both readable and computationally efficient. List comprehensions can help streamline data manipulation tasks, such as filtering out irrelevant data points, applying transformations to dataset elements, or performing aggregations across dataset partitions. By harnessing the power of list comprehensions, developers can enhance the scalability and performance of their data processing pipelines. In conclusion, list comprehensions are a powerful tool for processing and transforming data in industrial applications, helping developers optimize and streamline data processing workflows efficiently. Keep learning, stay curious, and I'll catch you in the next video.